Hey guys, welcome back to TJ's Model Trains and day 22 of 25 Days of Christmas with TJ 2024. I know tonight's video is out a little bit late, but we had gotten word from a good friend of ours, Landon, that the Pennsylvania Heritage Unit was going to be going through Fort Mill this evening hauling a coal train. So my dad and I decided that we were going to go try and see it. It took a little bit longer for it to come through, but we did actually get to see it. So that was kind of cool. And it was another little cool train that came through hauling a heavy duty flat car for gas turbines. I thought that was pretty neat to see. But here we are. Nevertheless, the video is going to come out. I'm not going to miss a day of Christmas for a train video. And tonight's video is a set of engines and a train that I have been really excited to do. Something that it's one of my more favorite steam era trains that I've ever put together. It's very unique. It's different. It's something that not a lot of people do. So let's go ahead and dive in and pull it out for tonight, and we'll see y'all tomorrow for day 23. So as I mentioned, tonight's train is one that I've been really excited to show off. It's actually grown a little bit since it was last shown. It's one of my favorite steam era trains that I've ever put together, and it's something I'm really proud of. So let's go ahead and fire up the engines and get them out of the tunnel. So as you can see, this is my MTH PRR Proto 3 Pennsylvania K4 3750. Following it up is the PRR K4 Proto 2. Now it actually has a stacker board in it, and that is 1361. 1361 was here for a long time prior to getting 3750. 1361 is back here for the holidays from my grandfather's layout, and it looks great paired with 3750. I'm glad to have both of them here for this year's day of the K4s, if you will. Now, 3750 is one that I picked up from my father. This is one that he had in his collection, and he ended up wanting to sell it, so I purchased it from him. And as I said yesterday with 520, I do have a thing for the steam engines that are at Strasburg. Not only is 520 at the Railroad Museum Pennsylvania Railroad Museum in Strasburg, 3750 is also one of its stablemates, if you will. One of the steam engines that I really would like to get at some point in the future is the M1B 6755. That's something that is on my radar, something that I am hoping to get. And there is actually something coming to the channel very soon that is also a stablemate and in the museum inside the main building that will be part of the collection soon. So I'm looking forward to showing that off here in the next couple of weeks. But today is all about the K4s, the queen of steam, if you will. The official steam engine of Pennsylvania is actually both of these steam engines, 3750 and 1361, are registered historic landmarks of the state of Pennsylvania as the official steam engine of Pennsylvania. As many know, 1361 is currently going under a restoration at the Railroaders Museum in Altoona. I hope that they do pull through and are actually able to finally get that thing running. I know it's had a very tumultuous restoration and a lot of years, and hopefully they're able to pull it through, but I would love to see it. I know 3750 will never run. I just hope that they do get a good cosmetic restoration of it and they can finally build that roundhouse and get it indoors. But these two do pull probably the most unique, interesting train that I've ever put together. It's something I'm very proud of. I spent almost 3 years now at this point finally putting it all together. The trailing passenger cars, there's just one passenger car on this train. I do have others of those, but for the specific train, only one passenger car is needed. So I hope you guys enjoy this train as much as I do. It's something that I've put a lot of effort in putting together, so enjoy it. We'll kick the volume up and get these things running around, and we'll see y'all tomorrow for day 23.